everyone, this is Venkat Kotta, IIT NEET Senior Faculty. Students, today we are going to discuss connected bodies with fixed pulley. So here, let us consider it is a fixed pulley. The two blocks are connected with a string. The string is passing over a pulley. This is the block of mass M1, another block of mass M2. Yes, sir. M1 and M2. Here, as M1 is less than M2, M1 is less than M2. This is the less mass, this is the more mass. More mass, that's why more weight, that's why it is connected with a inextensible string. M2 moves down, at the same time M1 moves up. It moves down by 2 centimeter. What happened? It moves up by 2 centimeter. That means here it moves down with acceleration A. What happened? What is the acceleration of M1? Is A, upward direction. Both having same acceleration, same velocity, same displacement, but opposite in direction. Because it is connected with a inextensible string. It is connected with inextensible string. So here, what is the acceleration of each block? Acceleration of each block. Tension in the string which is connected between M1 and M2. What is the tension in the string which is connected to pulley? So here, first of all, free body diagram for M1, M2. Yes, sir, this is the point. What is the tension in the string on M1? Tension in the string on M1 is this side, sir. This side. Tension in the string on M2 is exactly at this point is this side. Right? What is the tension in the string on the pulley? Here, this side, sir. What is this? T dash. Why T, sir, here? Here also T, here also T. Because it is connected with a same string. Na? This is the same string, same tension. Inextensible and massless string, tension everywhere is same across the string. So that's why here T, here also T. At this point also T, here also T. That's why here tension in the string everywhere is same. What do you want? Acceleration. Tension in the string which is connected to M1 and M2. And the tension in the string which is connected to pulley. Pulley, what is the nature of the pulley? Massless and frictionless pulley. Frictionless pulley. It is the ideal pulley. Strings are ideal. Strings are ideal means massless and inextensible. So here, free body diagram for M1. FBD, free body diagram for M1. What forces acting on M1? One is tension in the string, upward. Its weight, downward. So here, M1, it is the point mass. So consider as point mass, body consider as point mass. That is FBD. That's why what forces acting on M1? One is its weight, acting vertically downward. Another one, tension in the string, acting upward direction. That's why here, it is moves upward, M1 moves upward with acceleration A. Then what is the net force on? Net force on M1. Net force on M1. How many forces acting on M1? One is M1G, another one T. So here, therefore, net force on M1, T minus M1G. T minus M1G. Net force equal to MA. M means M1. That is M1A. So equation 1. So here FBD for M2, sir. FBD for M2. How many forces acting on M2? One is its weight. M2G down. Tension is up. Okay, sir. But it moves down with acceleration A. Is clear? Okay, sir. What is the net force on? Net force on M2. That is M2G minus T equal to M2A. This is equation 2. Equation 1. from MBD1 from M1. So here from M2 we get M2G minus T equal to M2A. These two equations, solving these two equations, we get two unknown. A is unknown, T is unknown. Two equation, two unknown, we get A and T also. From this, that's why adding these two equations, add equation 1 and 2, equation 1 with 2, we get this is the T minus M1G. Here M2G minus T. These adding T cancel. Remaining is M2G minus M1G. Left side, okay, sir. Right side is M1A plus M2A. So here M2G minus M1G is equal to M1 plus M2 into A. Therefore here A is equal to M2G minus M1G divided by M1 plus M2. This is the acceleration of each block. This block moves up with acceleration A. M2 moves down with acceleration A. Each block having same acceleration in magnitude wise. That's why this is the acceleration of each block. Simply how to find acceleration of each block without free body diagram. So here simple. M2J acting downward direction, sir. M1G also downward direction. Tension in the string is internal force, not an external force. It is nothing but according to Newton's second law, mass is constant, net external force equal to MA. Net external force equal to MA. Net external force acting on a system is nothing but M2G down beta, M1G also down. M1G is opposite to M2G. That's why opposite minus. M2G minus M1G. Net force by total mass. Therefore here acceleration of each block is equal to net force by net mass. This is the acceleration of each block. Then so A value substitute in equation 1. From equation 1. Therefore so T minus M1G is equal to T minus M1G is equal to M1. A means what? M2G minus M1G divided by M1 plus M2. Right? Okay, sir. Then this is the M1 M2G minus M1 square G divided by M1 plus M2. Right, sir? So here this is the T minus M1G beta. Therefore T is equal to, this value take that side, M1G plus M1 M2G minus M1 square G divided by M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2. Here take LCM. LCM is M1 plus M2 plus M2. Here multiplied here. M1 square G plus M1 M2G plus M1 M2G minus M1 square G. Here in this which is cancelled, sir. First and last cancel beta. First and last cancel. Here. Then tension in the string which is connected between M1 and M2 is, here this is the 2 times 2M1 M2 divided by M1 plus. What forces acting on pulley? One is T dash. Here tension in the string at this point on pulley is down. This is T. Tension in the string. So on pulley at this point is this side. Yes. That's why here we know that this is the pulley. T dash is upward direction. Okay, sir. And this side here tension is pulley. Tension on the pulley for this string is T down. Here this end also T down. TT, 2T down, and T up. Free body diagram here. 2T downward, sir. T dash is up. Right, sir. What is the mass of the pulley? Mass of the pulley is negligible. There is no mass for this. Negligible mass. That's why here it is a fixed upward forces equal to downward forces. For a fixed pulley, fixed and ideal pulley, that means here it is at rest. For fixed pulley, for fixed ideal pulley, here T dash is equal to 2T because upward forces equal to downward forces. Already we know the T value. T is 2m1 m2g by m1 plus m2. Substitute here. Therefore, T dash equal to 4m1 m2g by m1 plus m2. So this is the tension in the string which is connected between pulley and rigid support. So it is a massless string and fixed pulley. Massless pulley and fixed pulley. That's why your T dash equal to 2T. Suppose it having certain mass. What is the tension in the string which is connected? Suppose here the pulley have some mass. That mass is comparable to mass of the blocks. Then what is the T dash? So here is the pulley. A tension in the string which is connected to pulley here at this point. Tension in the string on the pulley is T dash up. Here down T. This is also T. It having mass. The weight of the pulley is acting vertically downward MPG. So it is not a fixed pulley. Suppose it is moving upward direction with AP. Right? Then free body diagram for pulley, sir. Here MPG down, right, sir, or MP. T dash is up, okay, sir, but 2T down. But it is moving upward with acceleration, AP, sir. Clear? Net force on pulley. Yes, sir. Net force on the pulley. Net force on the pulley. That means here T dash minus 2T minus MPG is equal to net force on pulley equal to mass of the pulley and its acceleration. Right? Therefore here T dash is equal to 2T plus MPG plus AP, MP. What is the AP? AP is the acceleration of the pulley. In which direction? Upward direction. The pulley is moving upward direction. So here this is the relation. Suppose pulley moving downward direction. Here downward direction. This value more than this one. That's why here we get here minus MPAP. So here this is the relation. Sir, it is moving downward with constant velocity. Acceleration of the pulley 0, sir. Acceleration 0. That's why your answer is 2T plus MPG only. Okay. Then, sir, here we have to write here 2T plus MPG plus AP. This is the T dash. What is T? T is nothing but already where T is equal to relation is there na 2m1 m2g by m1 plus m2. This is the T. Substitute here T, we get the T dash. Suppose sir here it is a fixed pulley. Fixed pulley means AP 0. AP 0. Your answer is better 2T plus MPG. 2T plus MPG. Then it is an ideal pulley when it is moving. So for ideal pulley, T dash is how much? T dash is equal to 2T plus MP. For ideal pulley, mass of the pulley is 0. 0 plus G. 0 into G plus AP. That means T dash equal to 2T. Tension in the string which is connected to pulley is T dash equal to 2T when it is moving or fixed. So here, when moving or fixed, same. It is fixed pulley or moving pulley. It is ideal pulley. T dash equal to 2T. T dash equal to 2T. So here all of you